Yeah. Yeah, those vision keywords are all kind of, I don't know, tricky. Vision itself is very popular, but those apps are more like in vision text, test and all that stuff, so not sure about that. Not sure that I will want to fight with those keywords. For those keywords, I would say. Hey Paul, hello. So yeah, all that long list of keywords is kind of, I don't know. Tricky. Tricky business. Hey, Sadman. Yeah, I kind of... so what I'm doing here, I was kind of... not this one. I was kind of interested to make application to... I just asked ChatGPT. Basically, I'm working all day long in front of computer. So what can I do to kind of make it easier for my eyes? And so there are plenty of exercises that you can do, and sure, we may have an app for that as well, right? But I don't know. I'm looking into those keywords what I could generate for that application to see if users could be interested in those. But if I'm looking here in this column for keyword popularity, if I'm looking for keyword popularity, so I generated a shitload of keywords, and all of them are kind of very low 5s and 6 in popularity. Nothing interesting. Want to become an iOS developer? How you recommend to start? There is hacking with Swift free resource. There is 100 days of Swift UI, and it was learn or learning. Learn. Let's see if those commands works. Yeah, here is. I like those tutorials from Sean Allen, and yeah, also just Google hacking with Swift, 100 days of Swift UI, Labreed. So, yeah. Swift UI thinking. Didn't hear about that one. Okay, let's try one more time. Vision. So we would like to have keywords with vision innate, and What else? Okay. Let's say give me a few more keywords with vision in them. String separated by commas. I don't know if commas is the right word, whatever. So, okay, here we have a few more keywords. Let's try those. So, adding few more keywords. I don't have kind of high expectations for any of them. We'll see. If I could get, I don't know, at least 10 or 20 on one of those keywords, but somehow all of them are just 5s and 6. Yeah. Again, just 5s. Vision itself is not very, it's kind of okayish popular. It's Vision is 32. Let's compare habit, how much habit keyword. Habit is 47. Okay, so probably 32 is not so bad. Vision trainer, restorer. Those are, I don't know, not cool. Vision workout. Maybe vision exercises could be good. Better keyword. Vision workout. And yeah, I'm looking for popularity in United States because I don't know, that's kind of big, one of the biggest app markets. Sure, you can get different results in different countries, but I'm trying US for now. Okay, result 66. So top result is this application, vision training and AI exercise. Can you suggest mechanical keyboard? Yes, I can. I will say this one. That is Nufi Air 75. It is low profile keyboard. If you are first time mechanical keyboard user, that will not feel too strange because it's not very high. And yeah, it looks nice. It's not too expensive for mechanical keyboards, and for this keyboard of this quality, I think it's a great keyboard. If you do not mind to have big and bulky keyboards, then yeah, there are way more options, but this is kind of easy suggestion. I guess I had discount code actually for Nufi. Let's see if we have it. Keyboard. No, Nightbot don't have right. Oh, here it is. Botrix has right link. There is there is discount code for what? That's iQnix, yeah, I see, and yeah, Nufi also, yeah. Oh, somehow that link is cut off. But at whatever, with iOS 10 you can get 10% discount on Nufi keyboards. Yeah, interesting. Why that? Whatever. I will check that later. Why that message probably is too long, therefore link is broken. But yeah, it should work without link as well. You just use that code and you should get 10% off. Okay, so again, less than 5,000 downloads, not too much. Last update 3 months ago. Holy moly, what's that? Some kind of game or something.
Optics Trainer is a vision training app designed to train and exercise your visual skills.
Yeah.
We've collaborated.
Oh, that's like a game to train your vision. Okay. Available worldwide. App Store optimization. Yeah, ranking well on A training, A trainer, A exercises. Vision, not bad. Number 13. Yeah. Probably that is not the best app idea because it's kind of looks already competitive and highly crowded niche. Sad. I was kind of hyped about that idea. I'm looking for some easy and simple application app idea to build it in next week when I will have kind of little bit more free time because I will have afternoons. Another thing which is interesting, how competitive is Pomodoro timer niche? There should be a shitload of apps, 49 and it's 48%, 84 competitive, that's very competitive, yeah. Very popular, focus, timer, study, productivity, all of that, yeah. Now this one is kind of on top one, Pomodoro timer. Focus timer. And how much downloads do we have here? 15,000. Yeah, if I'm just looking if that A vision training market is already crowded, that doesn't make sense to go and try to kind of fight in that market. Then I don't know, I had the idea for a while to make my own Pomodoro application kind of with a little bit different twists, and it's, I don't know, probably better to go in this niche, which also is crowded, but this one is kind of popular. Oh my gosh, estimated net revenue 85,000. Crazy. Yeah, sure, but it's really hard to fight in that market. because this one very little kind of revenue comparing to downloads. Less than 5,000 to 15,000 downloads. That's not much actually. I will say there's some optimization could help to increase that revenue. Focus keeper, $40,000, less than 5,000. Really? I don't know. Maybe there are so many free applications and no one is ready to pay for Pomodoro timers. That could be a problem. Because this, for example, is good looking application and it works across all. It's in Google Play as well. And probably even on web. Yeah, I don't know. Flow is kind of nice app. Yeah, but there is not so much money in that niche, to be frank. Strange. Any suggestions for the mouse? I'm using, when I am using that keyboards and I have this mouse, but realistically, more serious looking on that kind of choice of mouses, yeah, I recommend this mouse, but I don't know, better do not buy it in white color because it's kind of getting dirty. It's not good, yeah. Oh, actually it's too bright, I need to close my blinds on window. Okay, better. So yeah, if you look on this mouse, it is a little bit kind of dirty. You can't really get it perfectly clean, so that's kind of looks nice together. But yeah, hey Ange, labrīt. So yeah, that Pomodoro timer also doesn't make much sense to kind of fight with that problem, maybe. Hey Valency. Yeah, your Bolt driver is online and streaming. So what's the model on that mouse? That is MX, how it is, Logitech MX Master 3S mouse. And currently I'm using Drunk Shark mouse, which is that is ergonomic, that is MX vertical mouse. It's I don't know, it should be better for your hands, but it is a little bit weird mouse. You have to get used to this mouse to feel comfortable with it. So I will say this 3S is safe recommendation. Almost everyone likes it. Yeah, vision is not it, I will say. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I should kind of focus on existing applications. So I had kind of few ideas for few applications, but I do not see good keywords for them. Maybe I should kind of try to rank better for existing apps. Oh, this application kind of catching up on keywords and winning me on many of the keywords actually. Yeah, that's similar application to mine, and this application is kind of they're updating often. Oh, they're ranking very well. Apnea Trainer, they're winning on that. Free diving, apnea free diving. So I guess maybe I am number one on those keywords. I don't know. Yeah, that's mine application on this one. Where I am ranking? What? Okay, snorkel, apnea freediving, apnea. It's not bad. And what's going on actually when I was walking today with dog, I was thinking maybe I should have my application in the Google Play as well. I'm not sure. This application kind of winning there. Details, how many downloads they have, who knows, no one knows basically. Estimated revenue less than 5,000. Yeah, and they're going more for the pro kind of market, for breast holding kind of training for pro free divers. Whatever. Okay, maybe next dog walk will generate more ideas. So I'm going back to my mini habits application and will better spend some work developing something. I have a bit less than an hour left for my own apps. Let's work a little bit on that while I can. Just before switching to freelancing. Hey, Axel. Yeah, I kind of stuck with that calendar view. I'm not really happy that I'm spending so much time with that update with that calendar view. Probably I just should wrap up and kind of move faster and just do that calendar view in separate tab as a history view, something like that. Yeah, basically if I will add calendar at the moment as a history view, that could kind of move way more quicker. This is the project. How that will look in the application. Basically this could be kind of my regular calendar view just to see whatever is happening, and I will add kind of history button, that's it, and we'll move faster, because I'm kind of stuck with this kind of view for a while. Not very happy about that. Maybe let's do that for beta now. That could work. Hey Tyler, hello. Hello, thank you. Yeah, that's the kind of purpose of the stream, just to have it somewhere in the background, you know. And yeah, currently I'm working on my own project, therefore I can share the code and share on the screen whatever I'm doing. But in about an hour, I will switch to the freelance project. Then I will be just like that, your lo-fi study buddy or work buddy, stuff like that. That's what I do. Setup looks, you know, that's kind of, this camera angle, it looks nice but it's kind of, I don't like, it's a little bit messy, you know. Otherwise it's great, you know. Yeah, it's great to be working alongside. Yeah, I think so, yeah. What do you think about storing data in core data and about MVVM architecture? Oh, I'm using core data in this app. I don't know, it works fine. Core data is battle tested, very old already kind of solution. You can create multiple entities, you can store different types of data, it's fast, it's reliable. Syntax is a little bit Objective-C kind of type syntax. It kind of looks a little bit weird if you are coming from Swift UI side, but I think it's kind of I think it's fine. And currently Apple also added that Swift data, which I didn't started to work with yet, but that is easier way to work with core data. I will say so. If you are building iOS application and your main goal is kind of Apple ecosystem, iOS and so on, then core data is great choice for data persistence. If you are looking for something cross-platform, then maybe it makes sense to take a look on something like Firebase, for example. If you are building Android application as well, then Firebase could make sense, you know, something like that. Otherwise, core data is relatively easy to use and nice framework to have. And by adding CloudKit, you are getting data backup and synchronization between multiple devices for free. So I don't know. I'm taking that. Why not? You know. And MVVM, I don't know, it's fine, it works great for Swift UI, it's a little bit more kind of challenging to implement for UI kit project, and I do not use it with UI kit projects, but for Swift UI it works just fine. Hi Sio, hello. Good morning. Yeah, it's morning here as well. 9 at the morning in my time zone. Okay, so tab bar. Here we have tab bar. Let's just add, you know, history tab bar. Oh yeah, it's early Netherlands. Yeah, I'm a little bit Latvia. It's a little bit to the size of the side of the sunrise. So I'm hour or 2 hours ahead of all the other Europe. I heard that core data has problems between versions of apps when you add new entities and so on. Nah, it's easy. Migration, lightweight migration for core data is easy. If you're just adding new entities, I am on version 3 already for this. You see, I have here just day and habit entities in first version. Then I have version 2. I added user as well. And in version 3, probably I added some fields. Yeah, I see that. Yeah, user here has just 2 fields, and in version 3, user has 3 fields of data. It's very easy. Just Google lightweight migration for core data. It's just you just adding kind of new base for core data. You will basically copy what you already have, and you will add whatever else you need, and you don't need to do anything in code. Basically, it's some kind of calculations or something like that. If you're changing something kind of significantly, I don't know, if you rename existing fields, and that's just a very bad decision. Do not do that, and that will be very hard. Whatever you are using, is it core data or anything else, that will be very hard to move data around. Then you need to kind of look into the whatever user already had, and then to whatever you are migrating, and move data around in the application and do all of that in codes, and that's tricky. But if you are just adding new fields in your database, it's just fine. And even if you would like to rename fields, then also I would say renaming is dumb. Do not do that. Okay, I don't even have a good example for realistic kind of heavy, kind of challenging migration when you will need to do some extra work. I even don't have kind of good example. Yeah, if you're completely changing your app model, for example, I have 3 different entities here, for example, the day, habit, and user, and I would like to mix them somehow in 2 different entities. That could be very heavy migration. And I don't know, don't do that. Just don't do that. Yeah, I managed to read your message. Nightbot for some reason didn't like emotes. I will kick out that Nightbot probably from chat. Oh, actually I will remove it. Will that remove message or remove as... Oh, I will remove moderator rights. Nightbot is not anymore. I don't like that node. Nightbot mode is a little bit too aggressive for my taste. So, not a mod anymore. Okay. So, streak view. Yeah, actually we may have... Actually we may have another one. Calendar widget view, settings view. Here we could do... Oh no, actually... Actually that should be like that. Calendar widget view will stay as a calendar. Streak view we will still have it, but that's kind of... Probably we will remove it later. Then this will be tab item as well. So, and for label, that will be history. And system image, book, not sure. Let's go to the SF symbols. SF symbols. Hey, Lucas. What is this playlist? Playlist is from Epidemic Sounds, and it is independent movie playlist from Epidemic Sounds. Archive box, yeah, something like that could work nicely. And I think we are going with monochrome. Okay, let's copy name. And yeah, cheers, Lucas. Okay, so let's run this to see what happens. I just stuck a little bit with this history view. So now we will have calendar view, which works just fine. And I kind of fixed problems that I don't have. And here we have streak view, and here we have history view. Is history view updated? Actually not, because we don't have all that information here in history view. So we will need to fix that, to update it on runtime. I just want to move forward because I wanted to play around with new paywall, test that a little bit more. history. Now it works, now it looks correctly. And if I will go to the past, I have 0 data because, yeah, I didn't use it in the past. And yeah, a little bit made that task bigger than that's classic problem with feature creep. I basically wanted to just show more previous months, basically history, and instead of that I started to think how to add multiple kind of months, how to manage all of that stuff, and basically that's, yeah, typical feature creep. So, oh, what's going on here? Why, when I'm clicking, it's opening. It's going back to the calendar view for some reason. Whatever, doesn't matter. We will need to work on that click action anyways. I don't know, this looks ugly. I don't like those ads. But that's one of the ways to monetize. I don't know. So current streak and history, basically that's all we need. And settings. Why when I'm clicking it's going, oh interesting, when I'm clicking it's going to the previous screen. That's interesting bug. Yeah, actually this could work. We could show history here, and that could be also not only calendar, but that could be kind of a list with habits that you was working on, and then when you are clicking on each of them, then you see calendar view, something like that. And calendar view, calendar view. So here is the click action. If we will just comment it out for now. So nothing should happen here. Oh, actually, if I will say date selection is false, probably I will not be even able to click on it. Oh, come on, false. Just false, not false, but false. Let's see. If date selection is false, probably click will not even work anyways. Let's test that. Oops, what did I do? What did I do? What did I... Ah, okay, I clicked on that ad. Okay, I see. Ah, okay, now... Yeah, now we can't select the date. And that's just history view. Perfecto. And then we can go to the past. Here is September, here is October. Okay. That kind of works. Yeah, that... Those emojis, I don't need them, I just need to color the dates where tasks were executed, but it works for now. And we still have our, yeah, this looks very crowded already screen because of those ads. I don't like that ad. But pro users don't get it, so that's kind of cool, right? Streak works, history. Where's the August? Okay, we don't have nothing in August. We have something in September. I should try to install that on device with historical data on that and see how that will work. That's one thing, and that visualization, I'm not hyped about how it looks, but also it's not horribly bad. It could be just colored dates and that will be kind of fine. Also kind of round thing around it. Let's see how we can do that with UI calendar. UI calendar, no. Let's see if we can. UI calendar view, Swift, highlight. Date. Okay, that is date selection. Probably we somehow can highlight those dates. Font design, okay. Date decorations. That's probably something what we can do. Creating decoration use. So here we have add image, color, size. That's something that I'm looking for actually. Yeah, that's just different. Just that default view. Oh yeah, we can kind of, yeah, do highlight that. That is selection. And selecting multiple dates. Here it is. So basically I need probably do that multiple date selection, but not allow. Here it is programmatic selection, that could work. Or yeah, here it is, decoration. Probably, yeah, that's kind of, I already have that with those emojis. Sure, I can add green, red, whatever dots. That decoration is not what I'm looking for. I would like to have it kind of highlighted, that, like highlight, like here, for specific dates. What about selecting date ranges? UI calendar does not really support out-of-the-box selection for date range. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I could use just dot, because that emoji that I'm using currently, that's fine for tests, but not clear why this emoji is used in the app. If we have here just highlighted days, then could be cool to have here something similar, right? Good morning, Jenkins. Hello. I'm feeling great. This week was crazy fast. It's Friday already. This week just flies, but yeah, I have big plans to do a lot of work for next week. This week was kind of partly messy, but it's good. It's going good. Yeah, here I'm just basically adding that icons, but I could add, instead of icon, I can add whatever decoration, that dot, what else not. Okay, I'll think about that. I would like to have just highlighted dates in the calendar. That could look better. But it seems that there is no kind of out-of-the-box way to highlight some range in the UI calendar view. Okay, whatever. It is about time to switch to the freelance project. Can you show the camera the keyboard for a moment? I saw the other day and I would like to know what it is. The keyboard, that is very old Microsoft Sculpt keyboard. I bought it, I don't know, 10 years ago? 7, 8, something like that. That keyboard is very old, but that's kind of ergonomic keyboard and it is really comfortable to type on it. That's not mechanical keyboard, that is membrane keyboard. Yeah, it's membrane. And definitely this is my favorite membrane keyboard that I ever used. It looks already gross. It's kind of starting to fall apart here. Okay. You can see all of that kind of falling apart. But this is very comfortable.
Is there something else I can help with?
No, Siri, you can't help with that. But it is very comfortable, you know. I use MX Keys Mini. I had MX Mini. I gifted them away to on one of the YouTube videos. It's yeah, it's good. MX Keys is a great keyboard. That's another membrane keyboard, which is good one. I like that one as well. But I don't know. I do not use it. I didn't use it at all because I had plenty of mechanical keyboards to use, and I just gave it away in my MX Keys versus MX mechanical keyboard video. Send it to one subscriber, to the one YouTube subscriber to Sweden. Hey Vladislav, I just started my work day in Moscow time zone. It's 9:14. Yeah, same here. Same here. In winters we are in the same time zone. But I'm working for about 2 hours already. I'm starting relatively early. I see Kickstream is 1.5 hours long already. Motorcycle ride? No, it's too cold for motorcycle rides already. That's one thing, and another thing, I don't have driver's license for motorcycle still, and I don't have a motorcycle, so all the motorcycle activities basically are kind of postponed to the next summer. I have to finalize my motorcycle license and get it on spring in April, and then we'll see how that will move from there. Yeah. I was planning to go for vacation to Gran Canaria, but it's freaking expensive to fly there. I don't know why, but tickets are about I'm basically paying 1,000 euros per person to fly there. So maybe I will change my destination. And I was thinking that in Gran Canaria I could go for maybe rent motorcycle and maybe ride around a little bit, and also go for surfing. But yeah, I don't know if I will go. It's kind of crazy expensive trip. So it's about 2,000 for apartment for 2 weeks, 3,000 for tickets. So it's 5,000 just to be there. I don't know if it's worth it. Fleece jacket. Yeah, it's today it is sunny and warm. Actually, today you will be able to ride around comfortable. The problem is my driver's license, motorcycle driver's license. I didn't pass that test to get it, and I have to try to do that on the spring in April. That's it. Okay, I will stay around on for coworking stream on the Kik, and that will be basically from now. I will work on freelance project. So yeah, I will wrap up YouTube stream now because I'm not sharing my code anymore, and we are just doing that kind of working together stream from now, and that will keep going on the Kik. So everyone on YouTube, have a great day, have a great weekend. It's Friday already, weekend is coming. Hopefully I will get that motorcycle license on spring. Yeah, I don't know. That's a bit side topic, but yeah. Then probably some motorcycle content will bleed into the YouTube channel as well. Some motorcycle camping and all that stuff. Yeah, would like to do that. To go also for work days, just to ride to the seaside and maybe do some one-day camping and work from there. I have a question. Is macOS Catalina okay for learning Swift and exactly iOS development? Catalina. I'm already lost in those macOS names, but I can of course kind of check it. But I will say you what you can do. You just check if that macOS supports latest Xcode. If it is not, you will run into the blockers sooner or later. So it will be fine to start because you just need Swift and Xcode and you will be fine to start, But yeah, if you are kind of on one or two versions of Xcode behind, you will run into the problems sooner or later. And that Catalina, I don't remember which Xcode version is supported in it, but that can be a problem, yeah. So depends on budget, but I would not buy machine which doesn't support the latest macOS already, because if you are planning to keep it for a few years, so you will be not kind of happy about that. Event Rose, I hardly understand English. Yeah, but that actually helps Vladislav. Okay, I will say for Vladislav in Russian. Владислав, это помогает слушать английский, даже если ты его плохо понимаешь. Это тренирует восприятие. So, yeah, keep going. Catalina support Xcode 12. Oh my gosh, I will not buy that machine. Xcode 12 is way too old. Currently we are on Xcode 15, right? So, no. I will not buy that. It's way too old. I would better, if you want to learn iOS development and if you are on very tough budget, then probably you have more time than money. Then take a look into the Hackintosh, and you can build cheap Hackintosh and get latest macOS running on it and Xcode and all that stuff. That will be better than very old and outdated Mac. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to make another coffee and then I will start freelancing. I will stay on kind of this coworking type stream but that will go on Kick because those streams are kind of not cool for YouTube at all. Okay, for those who are kind of staying on YouTube, see you next time. For those who are on Kick, yeah, we can keep going for coworking stream. Okay, bye YouTube. Have a great day, have a great weekend. See you in the next YouTube video.